Hello friends, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video, we will see how to perform the Rotarod test assessing motor coordination in rodents. We will see using this Rotarod apparatus, a widely used tool for assessing motor coordination, balance and endurance in rodents. The Rotarod works on simple principle. Rodents naturally avoid falling, so they will keep walking on the rotating road to maintain their position. So now we will see what is the principle. As the road rotates, the rodent must walk continuously to stay on, and the time and the animal remains on the road, called latency to fall, is measured, and this helps assess motor function under various experimental conditions. So what is the procedure we will see next. First is preparation. Place the animals on the Rotarod and set the device to constant speed or an accelerating pattern as per your protocol. So some means Rotarod have this pattern to you can speed up. After some times the road start automatically speed. Next step is training. Some protocol includes a training phase at low speed and familiarize the animals with the apparatus. So in training, animals get completely familiarized with the apparatus. Start test and record the time it takes for the animal to fall off the road. Fourth is data analysis. Analyze latency to fall, speed at fall and the number of falls to evaluate motor performance. Next is what is the application of Rotarod. First is motor coordination and balance. The Rotarod is a standard method for testing coordination and balance in rodent neurological disorders. It is used to study Parkinson disease, Huntington. My pronunciation is not proper, but it's a Huntington's disease, multiple sclerosis and related conditions. Drug testing. Researchers evaluate potential treatments or detect motor side effect of drugs using the Rotarod. Genetic studies. It helps compare the motor skills of genetically modified rodents with wild type controls. Other research areas are the Rotarod is also used in muscle relaxant studies, acute brain injury models, and neurotoxicity assessments. The species of animals are used. The Rotarod is primarily used with mice and rats in motor performance studies. In conclusion, the Rotarod apparatus is simple and powerful tool to study motor coordination, balance and endurance in rodents, supporting research in neurology, pharmacology and behavioral science. Thank you for watching. For more lab videos, subscribe, like and comment on what you would like to learn next. Now we will see part of originally performed experiment on C57 mice. So see up to last.